Let's kick off your cloud experience with Microsoft Azure. Ready to sign up? It's simple and free. First, visit the Azure website. Click on Free Account to explore your options. Next, enter your email to start creating your account. Ensure it's valid for confirmation. Fill in the required information, including your name and password. Let's keep it secure. After that, verify your identity using a phone number. This extra step keeps your account safe. Finally, review the details and accept the agreement. Your Azure account is nearly ready. Now, you'll receive free credits to explore Azure services. Let's maximize this opportunity. Log into your dashboard to start using Azure. Here, you'll find endless possibilities. Don't forget to explore tutorials and documentation. Knowledge is your best tool. Experiment with services like virtual machines and databases. Your cloud adventure starts now. As you grow, Azure grows with you. Build your skills and projects at your own pace. Congratulations! You're all set to harness the power of Microsoft Azure. Let's make it happen.